In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook Marketplace not loading 2025. If Marketplace won't open, loads forever, or shows a blank page, follow along and we'll get you back to browsing and listing quickly. First, rule out a platform outage. Sometimes the problem is on Facebook's side. Try opening Marketplace on a different phone or computer, or ask someone you know to check on their account. If it's down for multiple people, the best fix is patience. These outages typically resolve within a few hours. Next, make sure Marketplace is actually available on your account. It may be hidden if the account is brand new, if there were policy violations, or if the account holder is under 18. In the Facebook search bar, type Marketplace. If it doesn't show up as a result, your account may be restricted. If Marketplace should be available, restart the app or your browser. Fully close Facebook, reopen it, and try again. While you're at it, update the app. Head to the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone. Install any pending Facebook updates, then relaunch Marketplace. On Android, a corrupted cache can block loading. Go to Settings, Apps, Facebook, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. Don't clear data unless you're troubleshooting deeper issues. Check your internet connection, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, toggle airplane mode on and off, or power cycle your router. Marketplace needs a stable connection to pull listings. Refresh your login session by signing out and back in. Open the menu, choose Log Out, wait about 30 seconds, then sign in again and open Marketplace. Make sure location services are enabled because Marketplace relies on your area. In your device settings, open location, find Facebook, allow location access, and set it to while using the app. Then reopen Marketplace. If Marketplace opens but no listings appear, adjust its built-in location. Open Marketplace, tap Location, choose or reselect your city and apply the change. Turn off any VPN, proxy, or private DNS services, then restart Facebook. These can cause Marketplace to be blocked or misrouted. If the app still fails, try a web browser. Go to facebook.com, log in, and click Marketplace. If it works there, the issue is likely app-related. As a stronger reset, uninstall Facebook, restart your phone, reinstall it, log in, and test Marketplace. Finally, check the support inbox from the menu for Marketplace warnings or restrictions. If you see a restriction, you may need to wait or follow the appeal instructions. That's it. Work through these fixes from top to bottom, and Marketplace should load again.